Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This is Amir. Welcome to yet another video from Ireland. Today we'll be talking about studying masters in Ireland for mechanical engineers. Now this is something that I was trying to look up online and there is not much information. So I thought maybe this is something that I should talk about and put some information out there for people who are interested in studying a masters in mechanical engineering here in Ireland. Now, before we proceed, let me just take a quick moment to remind you that I am also a trained education counselor and I am trading under the name of Uprise, working on promoting education in Ireland. So if you want to study any of the courses that I'm going to mention today or at any of the universities that I'm going to mention today, please get in touch with us. The link is in the description. We are a team of 3 people who have studied in Ireland. We know how it feels, we know what kind of challenges that you'll face, and we know how to overcome those challenges. So if you're looking for some genuine mentorship, please get in touch with us. However, I would like to remind you that we are not typical education agents. We don't get any commission from the universities. Yes, we do generate revenue in other means. We get recognition and we generate business for some other purposes and other things. So it's just something that I'll be sharing on this channel at some point. However, the important thing for you to know is that we are recruiting students for all the universities in Ireland for the year 2021. I'm not sure what will happen after that, if I am here in Ireland or not, or what direction Uprise takes. You will get to know that on this channel. So look forward to that and hit that link in the description and get in touch, leave a message to us. With that said guys, let us focus on the current subject. Now first of all, let us look at what courses are available that you can study. Now this is something that you can easily look up online, but I thought I should just make a list. I might have skipped one or two purely because of the course content and the course modules that they offer. Now if you look at this list, you will notice that University of Limerick is offering 3 courses. There is an MSc in Mechanical Engineering, there is MSc in Mechatronics, and there is an MSc in Advanced Engineering Materials. So you have plenty of options if you go for University of Limerick. Other than that, if you look at the course content of the course offered by DCU, you will notice that they have a module that focuses primarily on medical device manufacturing, which is a booming industry here in Ireland and contributes substantially to the economy of this country. So naturally there are more companies and more jobs in medical device manufacturing. Now the course fee for all these courses ranges from 14,000 to 30,000 euros. Masters is a 1-year course like any other course here in Ireland. So it is a bit on the higher side. Now don't be discouraged by this. There is a lot of resource dumping done by private colleges that offer cheap educations in the IT industry. That is not the case with mechanical engineering. Now all of these universities that I've just mentioned have an intake of 15 to 20 students per batch. So this gives an opportunity for you to study in an atmosphere where the professors focus on your progress. Now, this is really important and this is something that is missing in private colleges in Ireland. So this is the reason why I feel that these colleges are just dumping resources in the market. It's almost like cheap Chinese products dominating the plastic market, and I hope you get the point. So at least that's not the case with mechanical engineering, production or industrial engineering courses here in Ireland. You can rest assured that the knowledge that is given is worth it and you will get your money's worth from doing a master's degree in Ireland. Now I'll also leave a link to all of these courses in the description. So just go and take a look at them, and if you meet the criteria and if you want to study any of these courses at these universities, please get in touch with me. The link is again in the description. It's funny, while I'm recording this video, it makes me a bit nostalgic because I myself have been a mechanical engineer. I have an experience of over 2 years in manufacturing companies. I worked in 2 different companies back then. I was working in quality, but after that my life went in another direction and I have ended up in an IT industry. I am doing quite well, but I am very sympathetic to mechanical engineers and the kind of work they do. I think the primary driving factor of any economy is its manufacturing industry. And it's not very different for Ireland either. I know there's a big IT industry here, there is a big banking and finance industry here, but there is a small amount of manufacturing firms as well. Now, I'm not talking about big automotive companies or big assembly plants. So, I have imported a map from IDA Ireland's website. IDA Ireland is an agency that facilitates foreign direct investment in Ireland. So if you want to invest any money in Ireland, they are the ones you need to contact. They will give you the options of which companies to invest in, and they are the ones who will be the middlemen when you want to invest in any business in Ireland. So if you go to their website, they have this very interactive map that shows the companies that are available in Ireland. I'm looking at one such map. This map shows the number of manufacturing companies in Ireland, and it doesn't really give a bigger picture. But if you zoom into it, it's not so bad, is it? Now, of course, it is not categorized according to your skill set, so you will have to see what suits you and what doesn't suit you. But once again, I'll take you to their website. Now, I'm looking at Sulzer Pumps, Honeywell, Sandvik, Rockwell Automation. Now, these are some of the giants in the manufacturing industry, and they have a big presence here in Ireland. Apart from these companies, there is a huge industry for medical device manufacturing, like I mentioned you before. So again, this may or may not be relevant to your current skill set, and I hope it gives you the general perspective about the manufacturing industry here in Ireland. There's also a huge presence of R&D departments. Of course, they are just subsidiaries, so they are not such big operations, but they have a presence. So I'm just trying to make a point that the industry is not completely invisible. It has considerable presence. It does make a contribution to the economy of Ireland. Now, I also keep getting these questions from a lot of students. I'll put one on the screen right now. What about heat, ventilation? What about HVAC? Usually a lot of opportunities come forward in industries that are developing, that are booming. HVAC has a huge presence already. If you're thinking there would be opportunities to work as an HVAC technician, that even if you have done bachelor's, you are most probably over educated for the job. But if you talk about project engineers in HVAC, then of course there are opportunities. Again, if you have relevant experience, only then it makes sense to think about pursuing education and pursuing a career in this field in Ireland. Having experience in oil and gas sector, is there any job available in that field? Now, once again, this is a field where the scope is pretty narrow. Can't really say how the future will hold. And I have also seen the courses. The courses don't really focus on oil and gas. So you would have to think bigger than that. Don't keep the scope so narrow. What is your opinion about pursuing masters in mechanical engineering? What about the future scope in Ireland and exposures? Now, like I mentioned before, don't worry about the quality of education and the exposure that you'll get at the university. It will be top of the mark. But for future scope, if you're thinking only just about Ireland, then I don't think it's right. You have to think from the point of view that you will be prepared to work anywhere in the world. If you're just looking for a well-recognized technical education, then yes, go for masters in mechanical engineering. Otherwise, if your plans are you'll get a job and immigrate to Ireland based on this field, then it can be difficult. I'm not saying that there are no jobs available. If you look into core manufacturing, if you have any knowledge and experience of machining, die casting, and other manufacturing processes, if you have any on shop floor experience before, then yes, it does make sense. If you have experience in design, I'm talking about CAD CAM and all that, there's a big medical device manufacturing industry. That is also something where you'll require experience as a process engineer or a quality engineer, and have experience of core manufacturing back in your home country. So from all the information that I'm giving you, you can conclude that you need some kind of experience first of all, and then you need to have the right education. So look that up. It's almost been 8 years that I'm not a mechanical engineer anymore. So I'm pretty sure when you research on your own, go to the links in the description, check the courses and their course content, you will know more about your own options than me. And like I said, look up Uprise as well. It's not a very fancy website. It's pretty it's pretty normal looking. You can contact me or my team there, or look me up on LinkedIn. In fact, I'll leave a link to the LinkedIn description. Go there, connect with me on LinkedIn. You can ask me your questions there, and if you want admission, you know where to reach me. Take care of yourself, guys, and good luck. Bye bye.